Hi, I'm Shelly Kraft, and welcome to SNNLive. We're at the 5th Annual LD Micro Conference right here at the Lux Hotel in beautiful downtown Bel Air, California. With me is Chris Yewdall of DDD. It's on the AIM symbol DDD. You keep it very simple. Welcome to SNNLive.
Thanks for having us, Shelly.
It's good to have you. Please tell our audience, what does DDD do?
Well, in simple terms, we're a technology licensing company. We have a technology that's used in over 23 million products already, 3D televisions, 3D mobile phones, 3D personal computers, and it automatically turns 2D content, games, videos, and photos into 3D, even though it hasn't been specially made that way. So we license this technology to companies like Samsung, LG, and Sony, and Lenovo, and they ship it with their products. So we're a licensing company, very similar to Dolby in the way that we make money and deliver our technologies.
Very impressive. That's where the 3D in the name comes from. I figured it out. Am I right?
Yeah, you got it.
Okay, so what's your background?
I have been the CEO of the company for the last 12 years. I think in dog years that would mean that I'd be put down pretty soon.
Not by me.
Not by you. It's been a very fun experience. I have a background degree in information systems technology, computer science. Worked in the virtual reality industry for a while. We took a company public there. And then I found DDD, a small Australian company, and joined the company back in 1998. And it's been a great ride ever since.
So when you're in the US and you're at an LD Micro conference, you realize why you're here is that there's so much money in the room, correct?
Absolutely. We've had a story that's resonated very well with the UK shareholders. And clearly, now that we've reached a position of profitability, we're not here looking to raise money. We're just explaining some of the dramatic growth that we've been through.
So let me ask you a question. Let's just drill down a little bit on the technology. So without, I don't have a degree in technology. So just give our investor viewers an idea of how the technology works.
What we're doing is, as the video is getting played back on a television or a personal computer, we're looking with some algorithms that we've developed at the movement and the composition of the colors in that image, and that's allowing us to create depth information. And with that depth information and the picture that we started with, we have a second group of proprietary algorithms, and they actually take that 2D image and the depth information and make it 3D. And this is all done within one frame of video. So as the video is coming in, within one frame we're spitting the 3D video out onto the screen, and it's also capable of being put on mobile phones, on very small processors, as well as embedded in chips on your Samsung TV or your Samsung Blu-ray player.
So you're an IP company.
We're an IP company. That's exactly what we do. 99% of the revenues that we make are derived from our licensees who are shipping these products every quarter. They're telling us how many they shipped. Our gross profit margins are 96%, which is wonderful. I don't think that we can push them quite to 100%. There's still going to be some cost in there. Those shareholders are very demanding, but it's been a great way to build a business, and it's a great growth story. Our business grew 175% year on year last year. The first 6 months of this year, it's grown another 74%.
You're hitting the right market at the right time with the right technology. Okay, so if I had to ask you, we're at the tail end of 2013. Where are you going in 2014?
Well, obviously we want the growth to continue. If you look at the analyst research coverage on the company, the market's expecting to see another 50% or so growth over what we've done this year. We've now reached a point where a lot of that growth is just dropping straight to the bottom line. We just reported our first post-tax profit in the first 6 months of this year. We see a new business that we're involved in being very interesting. Think of it as Netflix for 3D. It's very difficult to get content for your television, for your tablet or your PC at the moment, so we built a website called Yabazam, and this is connected to LG smart TVs, Samsung smart TVs. It's been downloaded at a rate of 800 to 1,000 new customers every day are downloading this free app to their TV, and they're using it to watch movies that they're paying for.
So if I'm in the US, I can do that?
You can do that in the US. It's 6 countries right now, and it'll be another 8 countries by the end of January, where you can download this and stream movies straight to your TV. And we see that as a big growth business, primarily because companies like Netflix and Amazon aren't doing 3D at the moment, and we see this great opportunity to bring that experience to the consumer.
So, What is the website?
The website is DDD.com, just like our ticker symbol or name, DDD.
And who thought of the name? That had to be really, and what does it stand for again for our audience?
That would be me, Shelley, and it stands for Dynamic Digital Depth.
And that's 3Ds.
3Ds.
Website one more time.
DDD.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Chris Yewdall, DDD. Did you get it? DDD. I said it enough times. We're at the 5th annual LD Micro Conference right here in California, in Los Angeles. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNN Live. Let me thank you for coming on.
It's been a pleasure, Shelley.
My pleasure.
Thank you.